This video provides proper installation instructions for the Betco Triton 2 and 4 liter dispensers. The Triton dispensing base will need to be securely anchored to the wall. Do not forget when selecting an installation location that the dispenser will need to be mounted no more than 48 inches from the ground to ensure ADA regulation compliance. To start, place the dispenser base on the wall in the desired location. Using the dispenser base as a template, mark hole locations on the wall. A minimum of 4 holes are required, so you will not need to use all the anchoring locations provided on the 4-liter dispenser base. Next, drill 3/16-inch diameter holes. Tap the provided plastic anchors into the holes. Then place the screws into the anchors and tighten half the screw length. Hang the dispenser over the screws using the keyholes in the back plate of the dispenser. Finally, tighten the screws to secure the dispenser. If installing Bicarbonex Premium Industrial Hand Cleaner, start by fully shaking the bottle, as the natural ingredients in this formula may cause some separation. To install product into the dispenser, start by pulling off the protective shipping cap from the refill bottle pump. You should avoid twisting the cap, as this could loosen or damage the pump. Next, using both hands, hold the bottle at an angle and insert the tab on the top of the bottle into a slot at the top of the dispenser. This pierces a hole in the bottle to allow venting and prevent the bottle from collapsing. Be sure to take care, as the bottle piercing feature is sharp and you should not touch the piercing device directly. To secure the refill, simply push the bottom of the bottle into the dispenser. This will lock the refill into place. Finally, depress the push bar to engage the pump and allow cleanser to enter the pump's head. You may need to pump multiple times for pump priming before product dispenses. Your dispenser is now ready for use. To remove product, grasp the bottom of the refill bottle with both hands. Pull the bottom of the bottle forward towards you, but at an upwards angle to disengage the pump for the dispenser base. Remove the bottle from the dispenser and then insert the next replacement refill. If you have any questions or issues installing your Triton dispenser, Betco Technical Services is standing by to help and can be reached at 888-GO-BETCO.